Lynda.com is a leading online learning platform that helps anyone learn software, technology, and creative skills. Through our CJUSD subscription, all CJUSD staff and teachers have access to the full Lynda.com video library of engaging, top quality courses taught by recognized industry experts. Access to Lynda.com starts with visiting the district website at www.cjusd.net. Once there, click on Staff and then Teacher Resources and Links. Click on the Lynda.com logo under Staff Perks, and then click on the logo again to access Lynda.com. If you haven't logged into Lynda.com with your CJUSD Google account before, you will be prompted with a question. Unless you have used your CJUSD email address to log into Lynda.com, you will want to click on No, I've never had an account. You can now start exploring Lynda.com. We recommend you start with How to use Lynda.com to get you acquainted with the service.